Some homes are next to nature, this one is on it. Set on a large hillside lot in Phoenix, Arizona, this custom home is built right into the mountain, offering views you cannot recreate. Inside, you'll find nearly 2,000 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, blending comfort with character. Designed for everyday living and easy entertaining, the layout flows effortlessly while keeping the focus where it belongs, on the surroundings. Each bedroom offers a quiet retreat, with the primary suite perfectly positioned to start and end your day in total tranquility. Here's what truly sets this home apart. Step outside and you're on the mountain. Morning hikes, sunset views, and instant access to Phoenix's best trails. This is a lifestyle that most homes can only promise, but this one delivers. This is not just a place to live, it's a place to breathe, move, and connect with nature without leaving the city. Come experience the peace for yourself.